We are witnessing a moment in drone history that we will look back on as the Great Reset. For years, FPV flying has been a game of compromise. You had to choose. Do you want the agility of a cinewhoop, or do you want the immersive storytelling of a 360 camera? We strapped heavy action cameras to the tops of our drones, ruining their balance and cutting their battery life in half, just to get that impossible shot. But in early 2026, the game changed. DJI didn't just release a new drone. They released a new dimension. This is the DJI Avata 360, and it is about to make every FPV video you've ever seen look like a relic of the past. If you are a filmmaker, an FPV addict, or a real estate professional in the USA, stop what you are doing, because the leaks coming out of the FCC and the warehouse sightings in China aren't just rumors anymore. We are looking at a sub-250-gram monster that carries a dual-lens 8K 360-degree system natively. It is a drone that can literally see in every direction at once, while you dive through a skyscraper or drift under a moving car. This is the end of the missed shot. This is the era where you fly first and point the camera later. Today, we are breaking down the tech that makes this possible. From the 2nm 04 Plus transmission to the rotating gimbal mystery and the war with Insta360. This is the DJI Avata 360, the first drone that truly has no limits. The dual-lens 8K revolution, beyond the single camera. Let's talk about the hardware that has the internet in a frenzy. The Avata 360 features a tall, distinctive camera module that looks unlike anything DJI has ever built. Hidden inside are two ultra-wide-angle fisheye lenses, backed by dual 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensors. This isn't just a wider field of view. This is a full-sphere 8K 360-degree capture system. Why is 8K the magic number? In 360-degree video, resolution is stretched across a sphere. A 4K 360 video actually looks like 1080p when you reframe it. But 8K? 8K is the retina moment for 360. It allows you to zoom in, reframe, and extract a perfect 4K flat video from any angle. Imagine doing a power loop over a canyon. With a normal drone, you see what the drone sees. With the Avata 360, you can look down at the ground during the dive, look up at the sky during the loop, and then look back at yourself as you finish the move, all from the same flight. The storytelling possibilities are infinite because the camera literally sees everything all the time. The rotating gimbal, the secret FPV mode, one of the most mind-blowing leaks, suggests a physical rotation mechanism. In 360 mode, the cameras sit vertically to capture the full sphere, but with a single tap on the motion controller 3, the entire module rotates 90 degrees to face forward. This transforms the drone into a traditional FPV cinewhoop. In this mode, the drone can utilize the full power of one sensor for high frame rate 4K 120 frames per second recording with DJI's Rocksteady 4.0 stabilization. This hybrid nature is what makes the Avata 360 the ultimate tool. You don't need a drone for FPV and a drone for 360. You have one machine that changes its physical shape to match your creative intent. This isn't just a gimmick. It's engineering mastery that solves the problem of blind spot